Now I need to cut out this contour. Use the saw so I can mill it in the next stage. I can mill it faster. Firstly, remove this area. Firstly, I need to clamp these parts on the ridges locations, and this is the wooden bench. I clamp it with 2 G-clamp. And of course I use this reciprocating saw, and this is the length of this texture. The inch length. Okay. This reciprocating saw, this brand name actually is come from the same company of the Makita, but this is the cheaper version. But actually I found it worked very well, and it seems to have no differences with the Makita version model. Here I use the manual saw to cut this starting position, the opening here, and some preparation material, this oil. Now start use the reciprocating saw to cut. Of course, an ear pump is needed. So the first cut is made. It should be take notice as I have over truffle a little here. So it took me around 30 minutes to do it. And if you don't need very exact dimensions, this can be grounded it with file, and then it can be used. I will do it on CNC machines to control the outer shape once. And during the hacksaw reciprocating saw cuttings, before doing so, the outline should be marked on both sides. So whenever you cut one side, you can flip it over and then use the same locations to cut on the other sides. For example, the first is the right hand side, then flip it around and do the same on the left hand side. And also I have marked this with 2 lines. There is excess material left here, and this is the they have a reciprocating source, and in the package it includes this two-piece, not this long one, two-piece 6-inch blade, and you need to purchase a 8-inch blade by yourself. And this is not very expensive. It cost me around 19 bucks. That's less than 100 bucks US dollar. 19 bucks to purchase it, and it's much cheaper than the miter saw or power hacksaw. And also the most important things I prefer to use it is because even though a long length of materials, I can cut it with this blade. Thank you for your watching.